Chef Yeti of Afropot Cuisines. Welcome back to my channel once again. I'll be making chocolate chips muffin today, and I have all my ingredients here. I'm going to put all the ingredients measurements in the description box. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I have my flour here, I have my melted butter, I have the milk, egg, and baking powder, the vanilla, the sugar. Follow me and let's dive into it. I will add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon rather. One tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix everything together and set aside. I'll put this aside and do my wet ingredients. I will add 1 cup of flour, this is my melted butter. I'm going to add that. Add this to the sugar and mix. And add my 2 eggs. They are room temperature. I'm going to break it in a bowl so that we'll avoid having shell in the batter. Our eggs are good. I'm going to pour that into my butter and sugar. I'll mix well to combine. Add the milk. The milk is in room temperature. Mix everything together well and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I will combine both of them together. I'm going to combine the wet and dry ingredients together now. We're not going to mix it anyhow. We're going to fold in so that we'll not overwork the batter. After then, I'll add my chocolate chips. This is folding in. We will not overwork the batter. Turn on my oven on 400 degree Fahrenheit, and I'm going to put the butter in the oven on 400 degree for I have my baking tin here. And my baking pan. Let's see how many we can make with this batter. This should make nothing less than 15, but let's see. I'll take my scoop. I'll use my scoop. I'll first add my chocolate chips, like half cup, into the batter. Be generous. I'll fold it in. Don't want to overmix. This is good. I will scoop in our butter. Using 2 scoops of this each. I have a bigger one, I can switch to the bigger scoop. If I don't want to, I will use 2 scoops of this. I was able to get 13 full portions out of the batter. So we are going to pop this into the oven on 400 degrees for 7 minutes, and I will then reduce the heat to 350. It must first rise on high heat, and I'll reduce it so that it will bake for about 22 to 25 minutes again. This has cooked for 7 minutes. I'm going to change the temperature to 350 for 20 minutes. muffins are ready. They came out so beautiful. See? They are still so hot. See? They are still so hot. It came out so well. Came out so well. So I'm going to allow them to cool down and enjoy it. Please follow me for more on this channel. Until next time, when I'm going to see you in another great video. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.